Magandang araw sa ating lahat. This is Engineer Jom Digia and welcome back to my channel. So sa video na to ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-solve ng isang random past board exam problem under the subject analytic geometry, specifically equation of a circle. So the problem is, what is the radius of a circle defined by x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 8y is equals to 7? The choices are letter A, square root of 3, letter B, 2 square root of 5, letter C, 3 square root of 3, and letter D is 4 square root of 3. So for our solution, so maalala nyo no, meron tayong formula para sa equation of a circle. So yan ay sa pamamagitan ng formula na x minus h, so squared, plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. So meron kasi tayong kadalasan na binibigay sa problem na dalawang points. Yun yung h saka yung k. So ito yung nagre-represent guys sa mismong center ng circle natin. And yung ating radius is ito defined by r. I-square natin siya doon sa equation natin. So again, yung equation natin of a circle is x minus h, quantity naka-squared, plus quantity ng y minus k is naka-squared din, equal sa r squared. So para siyang Pythagorean theorem yung forma ng equation niya. So para makuha yon, so yung hinihingi dyan na radius, i-copy muna natin yung equation. So x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 8y is equals to 7. So all we need to do here is to rearrange the following equation and we perform completing the square. So pagsamahin natin guys sa equation yung may mga magkakapares na variable. Kung makikita nyo, so yung x squared, idudugtong natin sa kanya yung minus 4x. Okay? Maglalagay tayo ng space bago tayo maggawa ulit or ilagay yung y squared. And then isunod natin yung 8y and then equals to 7. So completing the square, para makuha yung last term na sinasabi dyan, so maglalagay tayo ng plus. So for the last term, ang formula natin, 1/2 ng ating middle term and then we have to square it. So apply natin dito sa x squared minus 4x. Ano kaya yung idudugtong natin? So for our last term ng ating first equation, so ang gagawin lang naman natin is i-multiply lang natin sa 1/2 yung middle term natin na negative 4. Coefficient lang guys and then saka natin i-squared. So ang tendency niyan, 1/2 times negative 4 will be negative 2 and then squared mo siya. So the last term of the first equation dito sa unahan ay yung positive 4. So idugtong natin yung positive 4 dyan. So syempre maglagay tayo ng plus para doon sa second equation na y squared plus 8y plus blank. So doon naman sa pangalawa no. So ito sub 1. So para sa last term sub 2. So again 1/2 middle term squared. So 1/2 ang middle term natin naman sa pangalawang equation natin is yung positive 8. And then we have to square it. So 1/2 ng 8 is 4. So square mo siya. Lalabas ay 16. Okay? So yung 16 na yun guys, ilagay natin dito. And then kapag nag-completing the square tayo guys, sa kabilang part is dapat kung ano yung mga dinugtong natin na nakuha natin na last term, idugtong din natin doon sa kabilang part. Ipa-plus din natin sila. Burahin ko na to no, sa last terms natin. Idugtong natin yung mga nakuha nating last term doon sa 7. Ipa-plus natin siya. So magiging 7 plus 4 plus 16. So therefore, ang nabuo mo ngayon is x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus y squared plus 8y plus 16 is equals to 27. Okay, kasi 7 plus 4 is 11 plus 16 is 27. And for the next is kailangan gawin natin tong square of binomial. Pati ito. So square of binomial yan is syempre x minus 2 na naka-squared. And then yung isa naman, so y plus 4 na naka-squared. So, equals 27. So, since we already know that the value of r squared is equals to 27, we have to get the square root of both sides para makuha natin yung pinaka-value ng r natin. So, 27, wala siyang square root. So, ang gagawin natin, i-simplify natin yung loob. So, yan ay 9 times 3. Ang may square root lang natin dyan is yung 9. So, perform square root. And then, yung matitira sa loob is yung 3 na lang. So, therefore, the answer is the radius is 3 square root of 3. Kung makikita nyo, nandun siya guys sa letter C. So, ganun lang guys, kabilis mag-solve ng radius pag hinihingi siya sa equation of a circle. All you need to do is again, recall the equation of a circle. Yung h and k, yan yung mga center. Yung center ng ating circle, yung r is the radius. So, apply completing the square here. And then, pagdating sa kabilang side, no, ipa-plus lang natin yung mga in-add din natin sa kabila. Para mabuo natin yung equation ng ganito. And then, followed by, gawin nating square of binomial. So, factor niya. So, ang tendency, kinuha natin yung r lang kasi yun lang naman yung unknown natin. So, r squared is equals to square root of 27. And then, square both sides, makuha natin yung simplified form ng ating r na 3 square root of 3. Maraming salamat sa panonood guys. May natutunan kayo sa ating video tutorial ngayong araw. This is Engineer Jom Digia. Maraming salamat sa panonood and God bless us all.